This men's Perrelet is a brand new watch that blends an impressive clean look with pristine precision and power. Strapping this watch onto your wrist is like heading out of the house with an eye-catching best friend holding onto your wrist. This stunning watch, which is water resistant up to 5 ATM, features a case, crown, 2 buttons, and lugs made from solid stainless steel. The screwed down backplate features a skeleton window allowing a view of the complicated automatic movement. The silver tone dial has a textured outer display and a guilloche center display. 3 chronograph subdials feature subsidiary seconds, a 12-hour counter, and a 30-minute counter respectively. A date window is also featured on the dial below 12 o'clock. This is one stylish, sleek, and sexy timepiece. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.